Have you ever thought about investing in real estate? What if you could earn money while you sleep? Welcome to the intriguing world of real estate investments, a lucrative realm where your money works for you, not the other way around. Imagine owning properties that generate a steady stream of income, even as you sip your morning cup of tea. This is the magic of rental properties, one of the two main channels of earning passive income through real estate. The other conduit is real estate crowdfunding, a modern twist to traditional property investing, where you collaborate with other investors to finance a real estate project. Each approach has its allure, its set of advantages, and its unique way of filling your coffers. But how do you navigate these channels? How do you make the leap from contemplation to actual investments? Fear not, for we are here to guide you. In the next few minutes, we'll break down these two methods of investment into digestible steps. Investing in rental properties can be a great way to generate steady income. But how do you start? The process is not as daunting as it may seem, especially if you're armed with the right information and strategy. Firstly, it's essential to understand the real estate market. Spend time doing research, familiarize yourself with market trends, and learn about different types of properties. Knowing the ins and outs of the market will help you identify potential investment opportunities and make informed decisions. Next, it's time to choose the right property. Look for properties in locations with high rental demand. This could be near major employment hubs, universities, or popular tourist attractions. Consider the property's condition, potential for appreciation, and the expected rental income. It's also wise to think about your target renters. Are they students, families, or vacation goers? Their needs will influence the type of property you should invest in. Once you've identified a potential property, the next step is securing financing. There are various ways to finance a rental property, from traditional mortgages to private loans. The type of financing you choose will depend on your financial situation and investment strategy. It's advisable to consult with a financial advisor or mortgage broker to understand your options and find the best solution for you. After purchasing the property, the real work begins, managing the property effectively. This involves finding and screening tenants, setting and collecting rent, maintaining the property, and dealing with any issues that arise. While it can be a lot of work, hiring a property management company can make this process easier. They handle the day-to-day operations, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of rental income without the hassle of property management. It's also crucial to understand and comply with landlord-tenant laws in your area. These laws govern things like security deposits, lease agreements, and eviction procedures. Non-compliance can lead to costly legal issues, so it's worth seeking legal advice if you're unsure. Investing in rental properties isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a significant investment of time, effort, and money. However, with the right approach, it can provide a steady stream of income and potential for long-term wealth growth. As with any investment, there are risks involved. The property market can fluctuate. Tenants may default on their rent, or unexpected maintenance issues can arise. It's important to have a contingency plan in place to manage these risks and ensure your investment remains profitable. Lastly, remember that investing in rental properties is a journey. It may take time to see substantial returns on your investment, but with patience, persistence, and continuous learning, you can build a successful rental property portfolio. Remember, successful rental property investment requires careful planning and execution, but once you get the hang of it, it can be a rewarding endeavor. If managing physical properties sounds like too much work, real estate crowdfunding might be the perfect solution for you. Envision a way to be a part of the real estate market, to reap the benefits of property investment, without the hassle of handling bricks and mortar or dealing with tenants. Welcome to the world of real estate crowdfunding. It's a fascinating realm where technology meets investment, allowing people to pool their resources together to invest in lucrative real estate projects. So, what exactly is real estate crowdfunding? It's a method of investment where a large number of individuals contribute relatively small amounts of money to finance a real estate project. This approach provides a unique opportunity for anyone to invest in high-value properties that would otherwise be out of reach for most individual investors. How does it work, you might wonder? Well, the process is relatively straightforward. First, a developer or a real estate company identifies a project and lists it on a crowdfunding platform. This could be a commercial building, a residential complex, or even a resort. Then, people like you and me, ordinary individuals with an interest in real estate, can invest in these projects. Now let's talk about the benefits. The beauty of real estate crowdfunding is its accessibility. It allows you to participate in large-scale real estate investments with minimal capital. You no longer need to be a millionaire to invest in a skyscraper in the city or a luxury resort on a tropical island. A few hundred or a few £1,000s might be all you need to start your real estate investment journey. Furthermore, real estate crowdfunding can provide a steady stream of income. Once the project is completed and starts generating revenue, investors receive their share of the profits. This could be in the form of rental income or sales proceeds, depending on the nature of the project. There are numerous real estate crowdfunding platforms out there. Some of the popular ones include Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet. These platforms offer a variety of investment opportunities, each with their own unique features and potential returns. It's always wise to do your homework and choose a platform and a project that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. But as with any investment, there are risks involved. Real estate projects can face delays, cost overruns, or market downturns. Not all projects will be successful, and there's a chance you could lose your investment. Hence, it's important to diversify your portfolio and not put all your eggs in one basket. Real estate crowdfunding can be a fantastic way to dip your toes into the real estate market without the need to manage properties yourself. It opens up new avenues for ordinary people to participate in the lucrative world of real estate investment. It's a testament to the power of collective investment and the possibilities that the digital age brings to the world of finance. The world of real estate investing is constantly evolving. What does the future hold? In the grand chessboard of investments, real estate has always been a king. But even kings have to adapt to the times, and the future of real estate investing is shaping up to be an exciting blend of traditional methods and new age innovations. Let's explore some of the trends that experts predict will shape the landscape of this sector. One trend that's picking up steam is the growing popularity of real estate crowdfunding. This model democratizes the investment process, allowing anyone with a bit of spare cash to own a slice of the property pie. It's like crowdfunding for your favorite band's new album, but instead of a CD, you get a share of a rental property or commercial building. As more people become aware of this opportunity, we can expect to see an even greater surge in its popularity. But it's not just the ways we invest that are changing. The properties themselves are evolving too. The rise of smart homes and green buildings shows that technology and sustainability are becoming integral parts of property development. As we move towards a future where climate change and energy efficiency are front and center, properties that embrace these principles will likely see an increase in value. What's more, technology is revolutionizing property management. Gone are the days of haggling with tenants over the phone or chasing late rent payments. Today, property management software can handle everything from rent collection to maintenance requests, freeing up your time and making the process smoother for everyone involved. As technology continues to advance, we can expect property management to become even more streamlined. So what does this all mean for you, the investor? Well, it means that the future of real estate investing is not just about buying a property and hoping for the best. It's about staying informed, embracing new technologies, and being open to innovative investment models like crowdfunding. The future of real estate investing looks bright, and now is a great time to get involved. So, are you ready to start your journey into real estate investing? It's a world filled with potential and promise, a journey that could lead to financial freedom. But remember, every journey begins with a single step. Start by researching your options, exploring the vast landscape of rental properties and crowdfunding platforms. Consider the rewards of passive income, the freedom that comes from having your money work for you. But don't rush. Be cautious, be wise. Understand that every investment carries its risks, and that careful planning is key. Seek advice when needed, and never stop learning. After all, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better your decisions will be. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're here to guide and support you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more educational and money-making content. Until next time, here's to your financial freedom.